Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by exposing what word hides. Turn on Show /hide so you can see paragraph marks and section breaks. Once visible, find the break immediately before the landscape page. That defines the section. Make sure to note whether it is a next page or continuous break and observe any linked headers or footers and anchored objects inside that section. This matters because the orientation belongs to the section. Do not delete content yet. Instead, prepare to change or remove the section boundary precisely. With your cursor inside the landscape section, open Layout and choose Orientation, Portrait. If the ribbon option affects the whole document, open Page Setup dialog via the small corner arrow, pick Portrait and set Apply to this section. Once done, the single section flips back to Portrait without altering nearby sections. If figures or tables still overflow, resize them or change their wrapping. Make sure headers/footers are unlinked if you need different content across sections. Finish by removing any unnecessary section breaks if your goal is a single portrait flow. Delete the break mark shown by Show/hide. Once deleted, verify no blank page remains. Delete stray paragraph marks or reflow tables that create a blank page. If things go wrong, unlink headers/footers, unanchor or move objects that force layout, then reapply Page Setup to the corrected section. Finally, proof the document to confirm page numbers, headers, and formatting stayed intact.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.